Today we will discuss engineering thermodynamics. Engineering thermodynamics. Clear? Now, today we will discuss what is energy. Energy. Energy is defined as capacity of doing work. Capacity of doing work. Clear? A body is said to possess energy. A body is said to be possesses energy if it is capable of doing some work. Clear? This is energy. Energy is mainly three types. Energy is mainly three types. Number one, potential energy. Potential energy. Clear? It is energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or height. Clear? If a body of mass m be at a height h from the ground level, then its potential energy P is equal to mgh. Clear? Next, current energy. Suppose a body of mass m moving with velocity v, or fluid of mass m moving with velocity v. So then its k is equal to half mv square. What is k is equal to? Half mv square. Clear? It is the energy. It is the energy possessed by a fluid particle or by a fluid or body by virtue of its motion or velocity or velocity. Clear? If a body of mass m moving with velocity v, then its current energies k is equal to half m v square. Clear? This is current energy. Then flow energy. This is due to body motion and p is due to some height or position. But what is flow energy? Due to transfer of mass or flow of mass. Next, flow energy. Potential energy is due to position of the body or height. Kinetic energy is due to motion of the body or velocity. But flow energy is due to transfer of mass or flow of mass. Clear? Suppose this is a channel section. Channel consists two sections, x dash, y dash, through which some fluid is flowing. Clear? So fluid is flowing. Let A is equal to area of cross section of channel. P is equal to pressure at the upstream of the section x dash. Length L. Clear? This is the energy. This is the energy possessed by fluid particle, by fluid due to transfer of its mass or flow, or due to flow of mass, or due to its flow. its flow. Clear? Consider a channel through which a fluid is flowing. A fluid is flowing. Clear? Let x-axis and y-y be two sections. Be two sections. Clear? Let A is equal to area of cross section of pipe or channel. Clear? Area A. L, length between x-axis and y-y dash. Clear? Length. P. What is P? Pressure of fluid at optim or at section or x-axis. At section x-axis. Clear? Pressure P. Now force acting on the fluid at x-axis. What is F is equal to? P into A. Clear? Pressure into area. What is unit of pressure? Newton per meter square into meter square. Cancels meter square. So what is F is equal to? P into A Newton. Now what done? Work done in flowing the fluid. In flowing the fluid between x-axis and y-y dash. What is work done? W is equal to F into L. Clear? This is throw distance L. This is throw distance L. Clear? F into L. What is F? P into L. What is F L is equal to? V. So what is work done is equal to P into V. Clear? Clear? This is what done due to transfer of fluid or flow of fluid. So this is called flow work. Also, this possesses energy. So this is called flow energy. Clear? What is unit? What is unit? Pressure. Newton per meter square, volume, meter cube. So Newton meter joule. Clear? Its unit is joule or kilojoule. Joule or kilojoule. Next. Heat. Heat. What is heat? Heat is also a form of energy. Heat can transfer from body at high temperature to body at a low temperature. So this heat may occurs due to temperature difference, not pressure, not volume. Only due to temperature difference. Clear? Heat is a form of energy, and occurs due to temperature difference between system and surrounding. Clear? Heat always flows from a body at high temperature to a body at low temperature. Clear? High to low temperature. Heat flow heat transfer does not take place if the system and surrounding are equal in temperature. Clear? System surrounding. When both are equal temperature, heat transfer stops. When the temperature difference occurs, heat transfer also occurs. So what is the unit of heat? Joule. What is unit of heat? Unit of heat is joule or kilojoule. kJ or J means joule. Our all units are in kilojoule because today our problems are asking kilojoule. So you will use only kilojoule, not joule. So what is it? Direction of heat transfer. Suppose this is system This is system. What is sign convention for heat? Sign convention. So, when heat transfer takes place to the system, Q is positive. When heat transfer takes place from the system, Q is negative. Heat supplied to the system positive, heat rejected from the system is negative. Clear? Heat supplied to the system is positive. Clear? Heat supplied, heat rejected from the system is negative. Clear? Work. Next work. Work is also a form of energy, but heat transfer occurs due to temperature difference. But work transfer occurs due to an intensive property other than temperature, that is pressure. Clear? Suppose this is system. Clear? So its sign convention is work transfer to the system is negative. Opposite of heat transfer. This is from the system positive. Clear? Opposite of heat transfer. The sign convention is totally opposite to heat transfer. Work is defined as the form of energy which occurs due to property difference. Due to property difference other than temperature. Other than temperature. Clear? Without temperature difference, what transfer occurs? It may be pressure or volume. Clear? It is only due to pressure. Intensive property. What unit of work? Same as heat. Unit of work. What is unit? Joule or kilojoule? Its unit is same as heat, that is joule or kilojoule. Next, sign convention for work. We are always using kilojoule, not joule, because our steam table is designed for kilojoule only. So we use kilojoule. Sign convention for work. Sign convention for work. Now, what done to the system positive from system negative? Clear? What done to the system is positive, is negative, not positive, negative on the system. Clear? So from the system by the system, what done from the system is positive, is positive. Next, law of conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. The law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Not destroyed. That means, this means the total energy means constant. The total energy remains constant. Clear? In gases or in thermodynamics, in thermodynamics, the total heat transfer is equal to the sum of work done and change in internal energy. Change in internal energy. Clear? That is Q is equal to W plus delta U, where Q is equal to heat transferred. Heat transferred. W is equal to amount of work done. W is equal to amount of work done. Del U is equal to change in internal energy. Okay. Q is your double per delta U. In differential form, in differential form, dq is equal to d double plus du, where or dq by dt is equal to or dq by dt or temperature is equal to d double by dt plus du by dt. Clear? This is pot temperature, where dq is equal to small amount of heat transfer. Clear? dq is equal to d double is equal to small amount of work done clear du is equal to small amount of change in internal energy. Clear? This is theory about heat, energy and work. Now I will do some problem. Clear? This is question number 5. The question is, in a non-flow reversible process, I will tell you what is a reversible process, what is a non-flow process, what is a flow process, what is the irreversible process. Clear? I will tell you later. In a non-flow reversible process, the pressure and volume are related about the equation P is equal to V square plus 10 by V bar, where P is in bar and V in meter cube volume. During the process, the volume changes from 1.5 meter cube to 4.5 meter cube. The heat added during the process is 8000 kilojoule. Find the change in internal energy. Clear? Now, given P is equal to V square plus 10 by V bar. Bar means 10 to 5 Newton per meter square is equal to V square plus 10 by V into into 5 Newton per meter square. This is equal to P is equal to V square plus 10 V into 100 kilopascal. Clear? The volume changes from 1.5 meter cube to 4.5 meter cube. So V1. What is V1 is equal to 1.5 meter cube. What V2 is equal to 4.5 meter cube. The heat added during the process is 8000 kilojoule Q. What is Q is equal to 8000 kilojoule. What delta U? He is asking the change in internal energy delta U. The question is, what is change in internal energy? Clear? Now, what is work done? W is equal to integration of PdV in differential form for reversible process. Work done is equal to integration of PdV. Limit V1 to V2. Clear? This will integration of what is P? V square plus 10 by V. This is equal to V square plus 10 by V dV 100. What is unit? P into dV. P. What is unit of P? Kilopascal. dV meter cube. So what is the answer? Kilonewton meter, kilojoule. So this is the answer, kilojoule. What is the limit? V1 is equal to 1.5 meter cube. What is V2 is equal to 4.5 meter cube. So what is work done is equal to VQ by 3 plus 10 ln V into 100. V1 is equal to 1.5, V2 is equal to 4.5 whole into 100. This answer is kilojoule. What is VQ? 4.5 Q by 3 minus 1.5 Q by 3 plus 10 into ln V2 by V1 whole limit into limit 1.5 to 4.5 to 100. 100 kilojoule. This is work done. What is work done is equal to 4023 4203 4203 kilojoule. Solving, you will get the answer 4203 kilojoule. What is heat transfer? Now, heat transfer. heat transfer Q is equal to 8000 kilojoule. We find out del U. What del U is equal to? Change in internal energy. Clear? According to law of conservation of energy, what Q is equal to double per del U. Clear? So 8000 is equal to W 4203 per del U. So per del U is equal to 8000 minus 4203. Clear? This may be three seven nine seven kilojoule answer. Clear? Use calculator may calculate the clear answer. This may be 3797 kilojoule. Next question number 6. This is question number 6. The question is the work and heat transfer for degree temperature change or system executing a steady non-flow process are given by dW dt is equal to 1 by 8 kilojoule per degree centigrade and dQ dt is equal to 0.4 kilojoule per degree centigrade. Find the change in internal energy of the system when the temperature changes from 100 degree centigrade to 260 degree centigrade. Clear? Now, given dW dt is equal to 1 by 8 kilojoule per degree centigrade and dQ dt is equal to 0.4 kilojoule per degree centigrade. Clear? The temperature changes from T1 is equal to 100 centigrade, T2 is equal to 260 centigrade. Find del U. Clear? Change in internal energy. First find out what is W. Now dW dt is equal to 1 by 8 kilojoule per degree centigrade. This implies what dW is equal to 1 by 8 into dt. What is unit? Kilojoule per degree centigrade. Centigrade. Kilojoule. Clear? So W is equal to iteration of 1 weight dt limit 100 to 260. Answer kilojoule. Clear? So this is what W is equal to 1 weight into T, 1 weight into limit 100 to 60. Clear? 1 weight into T, 260 minus 100 is equal to 1 weight into 160. The same place W is equal to 20 kilojoule. Similarly, for Q, for heat transfer Q, for dq at dt, now dq at dt is equal to 0.4 kilojoule per degree centigrade. Clear? So dq is equal to 0.4 dt kilojoule per degree centigrade into centigrade. So what is unit? Kilojoule. Watt now is equal to 20 kilojoule. Clear? Now integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. So integration of dq is equal to integration of 0.4 dt limit 100 to 260 limit 0 to q. So this is q is equal to 0.4 t limit 160 to 260 unit kilojoule. What is q is equal to 0.4 into 260 minus 160. 100 or 60. 100. Clear? So what is q is equal to 0.4 into 160 is 64 kilojoule. Q is equal to. Find out del U. Let del U is equal to change in internal energy. Now, what is Q is equal to? According to law of conservation of energy, clear? A double is equal to Q is equal to double plus del U. So 64 is equal to 20 plus del U. So del U is equal to 44 kilojoule. Answer. Clear? Next class, I will do some theory. Then again, I will do some problem. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the video. Thank you.